Review the original BentoHeaven bento box bundle with free lunch bag. A common issue with Japanese lunchboxes is mobility. Because they are rather large and usually contain a lot of different compartments that stack together, there is a demand for something to make the Japanese lunchbox a little more mobile. The BentoHeaven Japanese lunchbox has solved this issue by containing a bag that the box can be carried around in. This makes carrying around not only the BentoHeaven lunchbox easier, but also makes any other Japanese lunchbox much easier to carry. The lunchbox as well as the utensils in it is also dishwasher safe, which is nice as hand-washing all of the compartments of a Japanese lunchbox can be rather tedious. The BentoHeaven lunchbox contains dividers. While these were obviously made with good intentions, the execution of it leaves something to be desired. The BentoHeaven lunchbox already comes with 2 food trays and a utensil tray. While it is probably necessary to have exactly one divider for the 2 food trays, having multiple dividers just crowds the box and does not really add much to the value of the lunchbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.